Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Pomelli from Google Labs to instantly create marketing campaigns for your business. But please take note that Pomelli is still new and it's not yet available to all regions. You can actually check if it's available in your region once you go to their website and click Let's Get Started. And then on the next page, it'll show if it's available or not in your region, right? So with that out of the way, let's continue. Now, Pomelli is built for small business owners who don't have time to handle strategy, design, and copy all at once. And here's how it works. First, you want to open Pomelli and enter your business website. The AI will analyze your site and automatically build a full brand profile, including your fonts, colors, brand voice, and target audience. Next, Pomelli suggests marketing campaigns tailored specifically to your business. You can choose one of the suggested ideas or generate a new campaign yourself. Once selected, it creates the full campaign for you, including copy, visuals, and even AI generated lifestyle images. You can edit everything, adjust the messaging, and customize the design before even publishing. Basically, that's it. Simply add your website, pick a campaign, customize, and launch. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!